Mr. Smith, we're together again today. I brought you some pancit. You have to eat, huh? You're thin like a packing stick. You're gonna fucking die here if you don't eat. Hello, Parmase. I packed you guys the medication this morning. Where the fuck is it? It's taking forever. I'm about to finish my shift. I still don't have my medication. Darling. Here. Yeah. Can you pass me that thing? Right there. There. On the corner. Right there. There you go. That's it. Yeah. Thank you. Juniper, darling, you're always on your phone. I saw this thing on Facebook. Oh, it says, screen time related to cancer. It's very cancerous, that phone. Ay, nako, you're always on TikTok, anak. It's cancerous. Hello, is this Dr. Peters? Yes. Oh, this morning you wrote a order. Who do you expect to read that? The Egyptian? Ay, nako, I don't understand. It's all lines. Crooked.